today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your CookieRun app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down until you found here apps, you click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. In here you're looking for here you're looking for CookieRun app, or just click on search. You add here CookieRun, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.